walking ngayon sa kalagitnaan ng init at talagang ah ayun na nga guys. First time in my life naglalakad ako sa gitna ng init. Grabe guys, pero nyo 8 years na ako dito, ngayon lang ako naglakad, no? Around 2 PM wala, lakas sa loob ko, no? Ay, very rush kasi. Nakakahiya naman po kasi guys na wala man lang tayong mai-prepare at simple snacks sa mga kaibigan na bibisita sa akin dito. So hindi ko alam kung biglaan talaga. Yan guys. So tara na, let's go guys. Mamimili lang tayo ng konting food and then prepare po natin today. Hayabangan nyo po. Yan guys, grabe pagod ko, naglakad lang po kami. So ito yung nabili ng halaw ng 100. Sobrang mahal talaga ng bilhin. May pansit at mayroon lang tayo pang salad din lang. At may konting anik-anik lang dyan guys. Ayan. So magluluto po tayo guys. Habang nagluluto, nagsasounds po tayo. Walang nabili ang 100 reals. Grabe mahal ang bilihin guys. Ayun no, na-surprise ako kay Sir Robert, as in, grabe ang preparation. Ang daming food. Wow, ang ganda. Grabe, dito ko na-surprise. Alam niyo kung bakit? Yung 8 maliit, kasi kasing liit ko lang. 4, 8. Ang liit talaga, grabe. Pero okay lang, ang cute naman. Ayun o, 48. So, this is a very simple dinner lang para sa mga friends. So, nagluto si Sir ng, ito guys, pakita ko. And, special gift from courtesy of Engineer Robert is nagluto po siya ng pansit. May yung paborito kong crabs. Ayan. And, fish. Ayan guys. So, tinakpan muna ng tissue kasi medyo may flies, may langaw. So, ayan. And shrimp. Ang paborito ko, lahat ng paborito ko niluto ni Sir. Ayan. Shrimp. And also, yung macaroni. Tayong macaroni salad. Hindi ako nakagawa ng ice cream. Mayroon daw macaroni salad dito. Ayan, daming ginawa ni Sir. Ayan. So, kulang tayo ng ingredients sa macaroni salad. Ayan. May hinihintay pa tayong mga another food na darating, for sure magdadala ang mga yan kagaya dati ng mga kaibigan ko ng mga tubig. Ayan guys. So it's a very simple dinner. Hintayin na lang po natin sila guys. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito po yung this episode is na special day. May special day na pa-surprise ni Mr. Robert, Engineer Robert, and of course, my boss and family of my company. So, nagtulong-tulong po sila para surprise ako for the simple dinner. So, ayan. Yan ang mga courtesy ni Sir Robert at siya po yung nagluto ng lahat ng handa. Ayan. At tumulong si boss na nabigay ng konting gift, konting hadiah para may pasadusadual for a simple dinner. So, thank you, Sir Robert, and thank you, boss, and thank you to all my friends po. Yan, guys, hinintayin na po natin yung iba para po sa ganun sabay-sabay po tayong magpe-pray at sabay-sabay po tayong kakain. Ayan, for selected friends lang po, very, very close friend, lalo na mga friends ko sa family, GC Premier. Ayan. So, pupunta po sila, on the way po sila for a simple dinner. And pagdating po nila, mag-pray lang po tayo. And then, we start na guys! And then, tomorrow, abangan ulit for another group ng party ng mga kaibigan ko. Kasi nag-start noong 25, 26, and 27. And then tomorrow, until end of this month, may kanya-kanyang invitation po para sa ating special dates, my birthdays, 48, ayan, tumatanda na lola ko. But thank you kay God, another chapter of my life, ayan. So, bye! Hinintayin po natin.
Go guys, go guys.
I'm becoming chubby.
But good.
Me?
Eat more, Pasal.
Just put it there.
And
bro.
guys, yan guys, may pasabog sa akin. May pa-birthday gift. Ayan. Sana yan. And also, the best cake. Yes. I'm very happy because my family, my work is here. Ayan. So, they have a simple dinner here, guys. See, they have a macaroni salad, noodles, crabs, shrimp, and fish. Alhamdulillah, ang ganda ng very simple dinner. Yeah. My special day. Thank you so much for Hadiya, guys. Yan guys, may pasabog sa akin. May pa-birthday gift. Ayan. Sana yan. And also, the best cake. Yes. I'm very happy because my family, my work is here. Ayan. So, they have a simple dinner here, guys. See, they have a macaroni salad, noodles, crabs, shrimp, and fish. Alhamdulillah, ang ganda ng very simple dinner. Yeah. My special day. Thank you so much for Hadiya, guys. Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish, wish, wish. Happy birthday.
Yay!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Life, life, life.
Yes. Good health.